Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel creators. Today we are going to jump into CapCut. I'm going to show you how to add music. So let's get into it. There are many ways to kill a cat. So the first way we can add music is going over to import on the top left hand side and then going to the import block over here, and we can click down, and here you will find that there are your files on your device. Now here is an audio file, and we are going to click on it and tap on open. It has now been imported, and here it is. Now there's two ways we can add it to our track. We can either click the plus button, or we can click down and we can drag it over to where we would like to position it. This music is now here on this video track. Another way we can do this is going again into import and finding a video that we would like to take the audio from. So let's go to this desktop area here, and we're going to just use this video. Now what we can do is tap on the plus button. It's going to throw it into here. Let's just move it above, and we're going to right click, and here we can go down to extract audio. You've now added the audio from that clip onto your video track. We can now delete this video track. So now we have some more ways of adding music to our video. The third way is using the audio library on the top left hand side in your CapCut app. Now once you've opened this audio library, you can see that there is music, and right over here you can just go ahead, listen to all of the tracks, and then you can just download it and you can put it straight onto your video right over here. You can also add brand music. So this is music that you use on your videos if you have some brand sounds. You can also use TikTok sounds. You can link your TikTok account here, and this is all royalty free. We'll also have the extract audio. Again, we'll be able to put a video in here and extract the audio like we did earlier on. And then if you want to check out if your music is copyright free, you can go ahead and use the copyright checker. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.